Okay, so using the lacrosse ball in the glutes. Again, lacrosse ball, much better than a tennis ball. Tennis ball is not going to be enough in order to make change within the muscle fibers. One of the most common complaints is knee pain, low back pain, shoulder pain. A lot of that actually, hip pain as well. A lot of that actually comes from the glutes not firing and your brain having to overcompensate with different patterns throughout the body. So what we're trying to do with this lacrosse ball is turn those muscles on and help the brain to remember that we want them to be activated and working as often as possible. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the ball against the wall. I promise you, you're going to drop it 1,000 times before you get good at this, but see how my foot is pointed out some? So I'm getting the very back edge of my glute right now. If I turn this way and I lean this way, I'm getting more into the very middle of my glute. I move the ball down in order to get lower into my glute. I can move it I can position it on the wall in a lot of different areas to make sure I get all of the fibers of the glutes. The fibers in your glutes run a lot of different ways, so definitely look into exactly how those fibers run so that you're able to see that you're cross fibering and also going with the fibers all at the same time.